Alright guys, so I just picked up this E30. Been sitting outside for who knows how long. And I'm just gonna make this video as part one of a series on a restoration on it. And yeah, let's just do a walk around on it and see what's up with the car. Alright, so first glances at the car, obviously it's filthy. And next video, hopefully I'll be able to take it out and wash it. But overall, the car does seem to be in pretty good shape. Body-wise, it is pretty straight. This is a 325iX manual, so it's an all-wheel drive model. But you can just see the layers of dirt all over it. So I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out. It looks like it still had clear coat. You can see, like on the sunroof cover right here, it fading. But it'll be interesting to see how the paint looks after it's all washed and everything. I did notice that the bumper was a little bit cracked right here, and I was able to salvage this bottom plastic piece when I got the car. It was hanging off. So hopefully I'll be able to put that on. Looks like we also got cracked light right here. So I might have to do a whole bumper swap on this. Besides that, body-wise, it looks pretty good. It does run, but the battery is dead. And the interior is where it really needs some love. You can see I got some extra parts that I got with the car on the ground. The whole radio and climate control is out of the car. The ignition is completely messed up. From whoever owned it past, I guess they probably lost the key or whatever and just completely screwed that up. The glove box does not shut. So I'll have to figure that out. But look at this dash. It's actually in really great condition. If you know E30s, this is pretty good condition. There's only one crack right here, and the rest of it looks not too bad. Obviously these two front seats are just trash. There's like some paper trying to cover this hole here, I guess. And I don't even know what's going on with all this duct tape and everything, so it's like I'm gonna try and source two front seats. And since this is the XI, this actually came with heated seats, which is kind of a cool feature for, I believe this is a 91. Let's see. 91. And I also got this from an impound lot, so I am going to have to go on for a title. But I would say this makes for a great little project. Let's open the back trunk if we can. Use this to get in there. Bit messed up. Oh, there we go. Huh, okay. Oh, it looks like there's a motorcycle plate back here from New Mexico. Old plate, kind of interesting. Wheel cleaner, whatever that is, some plastic piece, no idea what that is. extra door light or something. Looks like we got a newer battery here. That's good. I assume the battery is probably dead because that glove box light just stays on. Since the glove box is not shut. Let's see if it has any power at all. I'll just have to use the screwdriver, and you can see ignition right here. So give me a second. I'm just recording on my phone, so I'm gonna have to set this down real quick. Try to find it. Just put you guys right here for a second. See if I can get any power. Oh, yep. So we do have power. I know it's gonna be too dead to start, but at least it's still got some power. And see, yeah, that light just stays on. I'm sure that's why the battery's dead. So, definitely have to get that fixed. You can see this whole situation there. Let me turn it back off really quick. All right, let's give a check underneath the hood. And it looks pretty nice underneath here, honestly. When I did get it started, I mean, it sounded pretty good. Looks like there's some weird stuff going on here. No idea what that is. Looks like a freaking sock or something. I'm sure there's like a hole there covering that up, is what I would assume. Looks like we have a vacuum line missing right there, but they just used this glove to cover it. Some weird yellow up here. So yeah, but overall, I mean, looks totally stock. I love how the hood opens up like this. And yeah, I think that's gonna be about cover it for our little walk around on this car. I'm gonna keep this video nice and short, get back to things, and stay tuned. Next video, probably gonna get it out, do a wash on it, start replacing things and whatnot. So yeah, if you guys like this video, you know, drop a like, subscribe. If you want to see the rest of the videos, let me know what else you'd like to see around here. And yeah, hope you guys have a good day.